Hi, this is Drew Valins with Satellite Test Prep, and today we're going to work on a somewhat challenging funky function question, or at least that's what I call them. Let's take a look. Let k box j be defined as the sum of all integers between k and j. For example, 5 box 9 equals 6 plus 7 plus 8, which is 21. What is the value of 80 box 110 minus 81 box 109? If you want to take a shot at this question on your own, press pause now. Okay, so as usual, our first task is to underline the keywords. So let's go ahead and do that. We've got the word sum, integers, between is important, and that's basically it. Now, I had called this a funky function question, and here's what that means. When they give you a little symbol like a box or any kind of strange symbol, often students feel frightened and they run away from this question. Usually, though, these questions aren't that bad. Basically, what the symbol means is it's a definition, and in this case, they give you the example. When you have a box, you add all the integers between the two numbers outside of the box. So, if you have a 5 and a 9, we add all the integers or whole numbers between and not including the 5 and 9, 6, 7, 8. So I think that's clear. Now we have this task. 80 box 110. So first we have to solve what 80 box 110 is. So let's write out, at least let's start to write out. It would be 81 plus 82 plus 83 all the way so on to 108 plus 109, and not including the 110 or the 80, because that's the definition. So the value would be adding all that up. Now, we could do that on our calculators. It wouldn't take an insanely long amount of time, but you'll see we don't have to. Because when we put beneath it the value of 81 box 109, because we're going to be subtracting that value from this, let's do that down here. 81 box 109 would start with 82, and go all the way to 107 plus 108, and end on 108. And we are subtracting this sum from this sum. Now, how do we know what that answer is without doing that all out on our calculator? Well, if we think about it, from 82 to 108, the sum of 82 all the way to 108 exists in this whole thing. So it's like subtracting a whole sum from the exact same sum, which is 0, right? And then we realize that the first whole value is larger because it has an 81 in it and a 109. How much larger is it? Well, it's larger by 109 plus 81, which is 190. And that is the answer to the question. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below.